Time to test out the new mic. See if everything's working well. I've already done one ride just to see, but I was getting a lot of wind noise because I have two vents in the front of my helmet that do not close. So I had to put a little bit of foam in there to hopefully help with the wind noise some. And I guess we'll see how it goes. Hopefully that's the only spot in my $200 summer helmet. So I guess we'll see. It is freaking gorgeous out today. After a week or two of solid 90+ degree days, 87 degrees feels fantastic. Every time I ride, I see this tape that's come unwound. And I'm like, man, when I get home, I'm gonna cut that. Guess what? I haven't cut that. Oh, great. These people are both trying to turn. And now there's a bunch of cars that way. And now you're not turning. Alright, hopefully no wind noise. I think I already lost a piece of my phone. No, it's still there. I touched it with my tongue. And there's a hair in my mouth. That's fantastic. I can't go anywhere without having hair on me. Oh my gosh. It's there. It's staying, I guess. Let's go around old Lake Draper, since that is literally the closest place for me to have curves, because I live in Oklahoma. What do their stickers say? Oh, a lot of dog stuff. That was my boy Joseph. Oh, little one. It is freaking windy, man. Holy crap. So this is like the closest place for me to have curves. But man, the roads on this, around this lake, are just definitely not the best. As you'll see, some of them are, and then it just goes to crap, and then it's good again, and definitely some close calls, like this giant hole. Still, all this construction around this lake kind of sucks. Could do one here too, I know that. Hopefully this mic is working well. Man, power wheelies for the win all day. I bet he did not appreciate that. Thankfully no one in front of me. Still no one in front of me. Whatever. Oh, I'm in third. What an idiot. Oh, man. Embarrassing. need to pass them before these turns start. Third gears are the best. Who doesn't like wheeling at 100 miles an hour? Cop? Might be. Definitely is. Of some sort. That is a little bright. Time for the worst section of the road. Is there still a giant hole right here? Sure as heck is. Super safe. Alright, I need to pass these guys. I hate passing motorcycles because I feel like a dick. I'm definitely passing them. I can still get it up. I just have trouble getting it up sometimes. You know what I'm saying, guys? Alright, I'm trying way too hard and I'm like twitching the freaking bars and everything. And that's no bueno, so I'm gonna give myself tank slap. Gets up to speed very fast, then it falls on its face. That's why I kind of want something else. I don't know what I should get. I really wanted an S1000 for a while. I wanted a Super Duke before that. Then again, I want a full fairing bike. So I rode a Jettrick 750 before this, and I loved it, but I got this because it's comfortable. I want a 15 plus R1, but the insurance kind of kills me there. Surprisingly enough, the Super Duke and stuff don't. The S1000 single R does. But, I don't know. One more wheelie before I go home. One more wheelie, boy. Alright, well, you don't need to see exactly how to get to my house. It's somewhere in here. I guess we'll see. What are you doing, kid? Just gotta run your bike into me? Alright, well, that's all. A little test video, but I might post it, might not. So if I do, then hopefully y'all like it. Yeah, sure, go right ahead. All right, bye-bye.